Hi, welcome to PKR Vibes Career and Growth. Today we are discussing about the topic name is Managed Care Plan. This is a very booming topic in healthcare domain right now. So first of all, what is managed care we have to know, and what kind of benefits we are getting from the managed care, and why only managed care came into the domain. What is that best it is giving to us, we should have to know. So first point is, what is managed care, we should have to know. Okay, so the managed care is nothing but a system of healthcare in which patient agrees to visit only certain doctors or hospitals. So that means doctor should go the patient should go only that particular doctors or only that particular hospitals. So here in the system, the cost of the treatment is monitored by a managing company is called managed care. So that meaning that in that system, the cost of the treatment or the cost of the disease or the cost of the procedure is only monitored by some managing company or some managing procedure is called as a managed care. And this managed care forms an organization. So here in that organization, every doctor or every provider or each provider should be contracted with the insurance company is called as a managed care organization. Simple. Coming to the next point, this managed care came into the healthcare domain with the concept of cheap cost and best benefit. So nothing but they are giving the best benefits and also they are taking the cheap cost premiums. So third point is the premium of the managed care plans are cheaper compared to other commercial insurances, and also give the best benefits like PCP, referral, out of network and cost sharing. So here the simple thing is the premium is very less and they are giving the best benefit. The cost is less and benefit is more. So that's what the managed care came into the healthcare domain. So here the what kind of benefits we are getting are the benefits. First one is PCP, that is nothing but primary care physician. So the second one is referral, is nothing but an approval which is given by the PCP to consult a specialist. Who will get the referral? The patient will get the referral from the PCP to consult a higher doctor, nothing but specialty or specialist. So and they are giving the out of network benefits. So there are two type of like in network or outer network. So the out of network benefits is also one of the benefit they are giving, and also the cost sharing is also one more best benefit. Cost sharing is nothing but deductible, copay, co-insurances. These are the things from the uh, managed care plans. So based on this benefits like PCP, referral, out of network benefits, cost sharing, there are a four type of managed care plans. We will discuss those. What are the four type of managed care plans? We will discuss now. Okay. So based on benefits, we have four kind of plans in our managed care system. So the managed care system have four plans here. One is HMO, and HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. The second plan is PPO. The PPO stands for Preferred Provider Organization. Third plan is EPO. It stands for Exclusive Provider Organization. POS. It stands for Point of Service. So these are the major four plans in our managed care system. They are giving the benefits like PCP. It stands for Primary Care Physician. And the second benefit is referral. Just now we discussed that referral is nothing but an approval is taken by the patient from the PCP to consult a specialist. And the third benefit is out of network, and the fourth benefit is cost sharing. So first we have to discuss about HMO. In this HMO, this is the best plan. So because they will every common man should be go for only first HMO plan, because the premiums are very less, nothing but the cost sharing is very less, and they should have to consult the PCP first. So they should have to take the referral, because the PCP is there, right? So we should have to get the referral from him. And out of network benefits, they will not having out of network benefits. This is the drawback, because they should only go for only preferred doctors or preferred hospitals. There is a certain limit, a certain area of limit. They should only go for that. They should only visit those doctors. So it's nothing but they are having only in network benefits. They doesn't have out of network benefits. So in HMO we have the PCP, we have the referral, so we have the in network benefits, we don't have the out of network benefits, and the cost sharing is very less in HMO. So because of cost sharing benefit, the HMO is a very flexible plan compared to all other plans. So HMO is also called as a flexible managed care plan. Coming to the next plan, PPO. PPO is nothing but preferred provider organization. So in that PCP, there is no PCP is required, there is no referral is there. So because there is no PCP, right? So obviously there is no referral, and out of network benefits will be, yes, there is a out of network benefits. And because they will not waste their time to go to the PCP taking the referral, so they are not go for in network. Doesn't mean that they will not go for only in network. It means that they doesn't have any restrictions. I mean, they are only restricted to go anywhere. Not only they should have to go for PCP, not only they should have to take the referral. It is there is a no mandatory doesn't require any referrals in this plan. So the cost sharing is very more, because they are go out of network. So behind that area they can go and take the treatment. Not only particular area, only particular doctors, they doesn't like that. So they can go anywhere in region, in the state they can go, or in that country they can go anywhere, and they can get that benefits, because they have a out of network benefit plan with them. So that's what they can go anywhere, they can get the treatment easily, and those people, the patients doesn't take any referral and PCP. So here the cost sharing is very more. So this PPO is also called as a restricted plan. And coming to the EPO, it is called as a exclusive provider organization. In that name it is showing that exclusive means it is a very rare, it is not for all people. So there is a no referral, there is a no PCP, there is a no out of network benefits. It means that there are a in network benefits. They can only go for certain people, certain areas, certain hospitals, like HMO. But in HMO PCP referral is there, but EPO doesn't having. Only out of network benefits are similar to the HMO, and the cost less is very less compared to the HMO. Also the cost sharing is very less. So this is a EPO. This is a very exclusive plan. This is a very rare plan. So that's what it is called as a exclusive managed care plan. And coming to the point of service, this is a very high cost sharing plan. So cost sharing is very high compared to the all other plans. And out of network benefits they have, like it is a very similar to PPO plan, because they are also giving the out of network benefits. They also the PPO plan also like POS plan, they are also not taking the PCP, they are also not taking the referral. So POS plan is slightly different, slightly same to the PPO plan. So but the thing, what is the difference between the PPO plan, POS plans means, in POS plan it is a very high cost sharing. So PPO